Let's talk about Affirm. This, of course, Mark the Shark, Pete, loved this stock forever, and it had a heck of a 2024. And in 2025, it kept going, and middle of February or so, it traded over $80 a share. Well, it's basically half of that now. And why? Well, it's down 10 or 11% because Klarna, which is a European buy now, pay later kind of stock, apparently took over a spot with Walmart, Pete, that Walmart was using with Affirm buy now, pay later stuff. And instead, maybe Klarna has that. And that's why people are saying, okay, now I know why it's been falling. I'm getting out.
Yeah. Well, that certainly seems to be the deal. Affirm is an interesting company. This whole buy now, pay later is pretty daggone interesting. I think you're right with this Klarna group, John, going in there with Walmart. This is huge for them. This isn't actually as impactful as the reaction that we're seeing today in terms of the firm. So either there's more to it and others maybe that they might lose, or maybe it's an overreaction because the stock getting hit, it was down, I think, 12%, maybe even a little bit more than that, John. Walmart is only 5% of the gross merchandise volume that they've got. So as big as Walmart is, this is not a huge piece for a firm. But nonetheless, by losing that, that's an issue. So Klarna, great for them. And they're talking about the whole IPO world and all the rest of it. And now you look over at Affirm, maybe there's something there. I think this is one of those where I think, again, you keep your eye on it because, like you said, look where the stock was not all that long ago and where it is right now and getting beat up again today. At some point, John, if there is something to this whole buy now, pay later, I think Affirm is probably positioned pretty well. So again, I just look at it and say, you know what, the Walmart deal, that hurts, but it's not going to kill them because it's not their only piece and it's only a small, like I said, 5% piece as far as the merchandise.
Yeah, well, these buy now, pay later firms, including Block, they have one too, Pete, the former, the other thing that Jack Dorsey co-founded other than Twitter. Wow, it used to be called Square, now it's called Block. Well, keep an eye on that one because it competes in this space too now.